Ian, and collectively we are Violet Cry. Can I take this time to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you also for going along to all our socials on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for all the likes that we've been getting. It's been wonderful.
2026 is going to be a great year for us because we're going to release our first album and we're currently writing some new songs, which is really exciting. So thanks again everyone and have a great Christmas time. See ya.
Bye.
Dancing in silence, side by my hand, passing scenes so quietly, bitter seeds a little in me. Let me lie here, let my dreams be left behind.